So here is another question on conditions for solvability of linear equations in two variables. So here it is given, find the values of k for which the given system of equations, which are kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3, has first bit 1 a unique solution, bit 2 no solution, bit 3 infinitely many solutions. Okay, so first we have to write the equations in standard form. Kx minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, 6x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then write the values of the different coefficients and constants, coefficients of x and y and the constants. So a1 is equal to k, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 2. Then a2 is equal to 6, b2 is equal to minus 2 and c2 is equal to minus 3. Okay, now the different ratios. a1 by a2, that is equal to k by 6, b1 by b2, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 2, so it will be equal to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 3, so minus minus will get cancelled, so it is 2 by 3. Now for the different conditions, for the bit 1 is for a unique solution. Now we know that the condition for a unique solution, for a unique solution, the condition is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. That is, k by 6 should not be equal to 1 by 2, or k should not be equal to 6 by 2, or k should not be equal to 3. So this is the condition for a unique solution. It means for all values of k other than 3, the system of linear equations in two variables will have a unique solution, single solution. Then bit 2, which is no solution. So the condition for no solution is, okay, for no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this. So as per this condition, it is k by 6 should be equal to 1 by 2. It should not be equal to the value of c1 by c2 is 2 by 3, isn't it? 2 by 3, I think. Yes, it's 2 by 3. Yes, 2 by 3, yes. So 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3, that is satisfied. b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So what is the value of k? So first is this comparing this with this, and then k by 6 with 2 by 3. So two values, conditions for the values of k will come. First comparing a1 by a2 with b1 by b2, that is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, then a1 by a2 should not be equal to c1 by c2. So that will lead to two conditions for the values of k. So let us see what those conditions are. So k by 6 should be equal to 1 by 2. That implies k is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. This is the first condition for the values of k. Then k by 6 should not be equal to 2 by 3. That implies k should not be equal to 6 into 2 by 3, 6, 2. That implies k k should not be equal to 4. So k should be equal to 3 and not equal to 4. So both of them are satisfying. K is equal to 3, 3 is not equal to 4, isn't it? The value of k from the first condition is equal to 3 and it is not equal to 4. So both of them are satisfying. So this is the condition. Okay, k should be equal to 3 and k should not be equal to 4. This. So for the value of k is equal to 3, the system will have no solution. Okay, so for k is equal to 3, the system will have no solution. Okay, and k not equal to 4 here. So which itself it is satisfying because 3 is not equal to 4. So no need of specifying it, but still. Okay, then the third thing, which is for infinitely many solution or infinite number of solution. The condition is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. Okay, now it means k by 6 should be equal to 1 by 2 should be equal to 2 by 3. Now here the problem lies in this part. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. It is no way possible. It is not possible because 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by 2 is obviously not equal to 2 by 3. So there is no value of k for which the above condition will satisfy. Even if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, or even if we satisfy a1 by a2 with c1 by c2, b1 by b2 will never be equal to c1 by c2. Suppose we bring out a value of k such that a1 by a2 becomes equal to b1 by b2. Okay, k is equal to 3 and then a1 by a2 is equal to c1 by c2 with k equals to 4. 3 cannot be equal to 4. So like that, here as b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, it will never be, because 1 by 2 is never equal to 2 by 3. So from here itself we can conclude that there is no need to find any value of k, because this condition will never be satisfied, which is required for infinite number of solutions. b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. Here 1 by 2, which is equal to b1 by b2, is not equal to c1 by c2, 2 by 3. Okay, so here there is no such value of k, no value of k satisfies the condition for infinite number of solutions. Condition for infinite number of solutions. Okay, so This is the thing here. So here there were three things which were asked in the question. We had a pair of linear equations in two variables. Then we had to find the values of k for unique solution, no solution, and infinite number of solutions. So treat each of them separately. Okay, so this.